Yeah, you have observed the difference, right? The major difference. Here, once again I am telling you, this is only two-step approach. Step 1 is you need to add the respective ones digit, and if it is crossing the 10 you have to indicate by the dot, and whatever the left part you keep on adding to the other things. Okay, so these are the things I have given as a homework. This is also homework. Start with the simple one, then go on 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit. Okay, and 5 digit also, 6 digit I am not giving because in real time we will not do that kind of addition. Even if it is 6 digit also, if you are able to solve this, then that 6 digit also it's very easy for you. For example, this one I will do it. It is 789, 456, 587. See here, 7 plus 6 is 13, so dot. 3 plus 9 is 12, so dot. 2 here. Okay, now 2 dots, which means 2. 2 plus 8 is 10, so dot. So 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13, so dot. It is 3. Now 2 dots, so 2. 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 4 11, so dot. 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. Okay, now here 1, so 1 dot you need to put 1. Okay, so now this is the addition. Here only the thing is you need to remember only the units digit, and whatever the dot is there, how many number of dots is there, you just forward to the next column. Okay, this will be the answer. Now like this you need to do all the things. This also you need to do, and you need to put in the comment section what is the answer. You need to write each and every problem in the notebook, and you need to add by using dot method. Okay, and after practicing this, next time whenever you are doing addition, you have you only will, what can I say, you only will follow this dot method. You will forget this what normal method, because it consumes lot of memory in your brain. Here it consumes very less memory in your brain, so that your brain will act faster in doing the addition. Okay, that is hidden technique lying in this Vedic mathematics. Okay, many people have been following this method from many years. Okay, so if you follow now, it is very easy to do. Okay, it is time saving. Why? Because we are writing now exams. Okay, in exams we need to do it very fastly. In the competitive exams we need to do it much more faster way, and we need to do accurate way. Okay, that is why this is helpful. Moreover, you will experience the thrill or fastness, or you will experience the amazingness when you follow. You do it by your own hands. Okay, remaining things we will see in next video. Thank you.